So it's actually very intuitive. You just wave the probe around like you're painting, and the flow field will fill in on the software. Hi guys, this is Ehab with Tyto Robotics. Today, I'm presenting you the WindProbe. It's a revolutionary tool which allows you to capture and visualize your flow profiles. Traditional wind measurement tools usually limit you in terms of your spatial and temporal resolution. However, with the WindProbe, you're able to capture high-quality velocity data and automatically bin it into precise positions in space, using motion capture tracking. I know that sounds complicated, so let's get into it. This is the WindProbe. As you can see, it's a multi-hole pressure sensor with an acceptance cone of 35 degrees. You can capture velocity vectors at a sampling rate of 200 Hz. These are the OptiTracking motion capture markers, which allow WindVision software to accurately position each recorded velocity vector in space. Inside WindVision, you can select a measurement plane at any distance downstream of the WindShaper. When the WindProbe reaches the correct distance from your wind source, it will light up green, letting you know you're collecting data where you intend to measure. You can also define the spatial resolution of your measurement grid. Each cell in that grid is called a voxel, and the system can measure velocity vectors in volumes as small as half a cubic centimeter. Depending on the software version you're running, you can work with anywhere from 1 million to 27 million voxels, giving you flexibility and detail in your flow field analysis. Thank you guys so much for watching this overview of how the WindProbe can help you validate and characterize your flow profiles. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment or reach out to our sales team.